So major roundabout, they're normally raised, and usually there will be a blue sign on each side with a one arrow pointing this way.
Okay.
Means you can only go one way, like a clockwise. Okay, the sign have turned around unfortunately, but if you look on the east side, there's supposed to be sign there. Okay, now this one does not have any lane markings, so we have to use the clock method. So if you are turning left, you're staying into the left side. If you are going straight ahead, you're using the left lane. If you're going to the right, you use the right lane, but we're going to be staying into left because we're going to be turning to the left. Now whenever we're approaching, remember you have checked your mirrors, signal by now because there's no other left turnings. But when you're approaching the roundabout, because this is an automatic car, start using your brakes nice and early. But as you're approaching, I'm going to demonstrate you glance to the right and ahead, and then looking as well where you're going. So always glance and go. If you're going to keep looking to the right, you're going to miss a very important thing, what's ahead of you. Because what if there was any more cars in front of you, they can have a collision or whatever it is, isn't it? Yeah, so that's very important that we need to always glance only but look ahead as well though. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to go to the drive. I'm going to drive off from here. So check my mirrors, signal, blind shoulders check. So I'm going to be turning left over there. Okay, so check my center mirror, the left mirror, signal to the left. As I'm approaching, my foot on the foot brake, positioning, glancing and looking at anyone coming.
Nope.
If nobody's coming, what we should do then? We go, but we follow the left curve like this. Once you join a new road, check your mirrors again. There's a sign coming up, early warning, so there's a major roundabout, but this time it has got the arrows painted. So it's telling you if you want to go straight and left, you're using the left lane. If you want to go to the right, you use the right lane. So we're turning left, center and the left mirror, signal to the left. As you're approaching, slow approach, you glance to the right but look ahead. If it's a close view, you can lean your body forward. So they're signaling over there, can you see that?
Yes.
So once you know they're going there, nobody coming from there, what would you do? You commit yourself there. But once you join a new road, quickly check your mirrors and then gradually build up a speed. It's two lanes over here. Make sure you don't want to be driving towards the center bar line. So we're going straight ahead. If you look over the signboard there, we're going towards M65 Haslingden. Which exit are we taking?
The left.
Second exit.
Sorry, the second exit.
Exit, yes. So we're staying into this lane here. Now this is an open view. You can see anybody from the right coming?
No.
Anybody from there is coming?
No.
So you can still glance. Nobody's coming. And now think about the lane discipline. So we follow the left curb. Once you come over here, then check your center and the left mirror and then signal to the left and keep following the left curb. Once you join, look, when I was following the curb, I didn't speed too much because you're doing it first time. So when you're doing it first time, it's about controlling. Your speed will get better and better and better as you do more driving, okay? So we have got a major roundabout coming up again and we're going to be turning left first exit, okay? So check my center mirror, the left mirror, signal to the left, start putting my foot on the foot brake, just start rolling slowly. So, and as I'm approaching is open view, glance to your right and look ahead. Anyone coming?
Nope.
So we follow that. So we start looking the road you're turning into as well. So it's all safe. Once you turn, check my mirrors and start build up a speed, and then we follow this. First time I will help you. I will talk you through. So I'm going to be a bit more proactive. So I'm going to keep giving you instructions because you're doing it first time. So I'm going to be slightly over instructing it first time. But as I say, if you start doing it better, I'm going to ease off and I will let you start using your own mind as well, okay? But as I said, this is only the third lesson. You're doing it pretty good so far. Just remain positive, think positive. Important thing is do your observations all the time, anticipations and the planning skills. And also what I say to you, be a selfish driver. Think about what's you doing and always think about safety as well though, yeah? Good. So whenever I say to do so, let's drive off please for me. Good.
So I'm good.
Okay, so after this bend there's a T junction coming up. So I would like you to turn left at the T junction. So what we should be thinking about, that's it. Good. Well done. Good. So you do what the curb is dictating you for positioning. So more to the left, no. So remember, you follow what the curb. So more steering, more positioning what the curb dictating you, like this. Good. Always remember you're positioning whatever the curb is dictating you. Okay. Good. Check all the mirrors and then build up a speed. So what will be the speed limit on the main door? It's about 30, yeah? You don't have to do 30 if it's not safe, but mostly 30. So we're going to be turning left to the roundabout. There's a sign coming up, so check your center, the left mirror signal to the left, mirror signal positioning, S slowing down, and as you're approaching, positioning, and then start glancing your road and ahead, more steering as well. Anyone coming?
No.
Look again, and if no, for more steering, so you follow the curb and gentle speed. And once you start making your tires straighter, check your mirrors quickly and then build up a speed. Okay, so we're gonna turning left again at the roundabout. So no, not yet.
No, not yet. Yes, that's true.
Yeah, because now check your mirrors, the signal to the left. There was a left turning there, isn't it? Yes, so people think you're turning left over there. So go slowly over here. So start glancing but looking ahead. Anyone coming?
No.
Lean your body. Anyone? No? So follow the curb quickly then. Pick up your speed as well. No more stay. Follow the curb. You cannot go wider.
Yes.
Remember? And check your mirrors quickly and then build up your speed. Push your speed more. So there's a roundabout coming up. We're going straight ahead, second exit. Or we're going forward, second exit, okay?
Okay.
You can see the arrows there, straight and the left arrows, giving the clues over there, isn't it? Yeah?
Okay.
So as you're straight ahead, second exit, start slowing down, glance your right and look ahead. Think about positioning, following the curb, more. Not worry about speeding, Just check your mirrors, signal to the left. That's it. Follow the curb. That's it. Now check your mirrors and then gradually build up your speed. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, and then build up your speed. So we have got a major roundabout coming up, and I would like you to turn left. So check your, so mirror signals and positioning is good. What about S? Slowing down. As you're approaching L, start looking your right and ahead. Anyone coming? Ahead as well. Anyone coming? No. So very quickly look inside the road and push your speed quickly. Push and pull method. That's it. Good. And then check all the mirrors and then build up your speed. This is why we do MSPSL. It's very important, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
If it's open view, you look early. If nobody's coming, you can go as well. And I would like you to turn left at the next roundabout, first exit.
Okay.
Good. So you done mirror signal, positioning is good. Slowing down is good. Looking is good. What about the car behind? Are they signaling? Always check the car behind as well. 2 cars rules. Always check the car behind as well. That's it. Good. Well done. And follow the left curb. You don't want to go wide, do you?
Yes.
You only want to go wide if there's a problem there, any car parked. So the next roundabout coming up, we need to give correct timing of the signal. We're going to be turning left, please, at the next roundabout, first exit. That's good. You can see the 2 arrows there, left and going straight ahead. So as you're approaching, start looking early as well, to your right and ahead. Anyone coming?
Nope.
Nope. So that's it. Excellent work. Well done. And check your mirrors and build up your speed. Check your mirrors. That's it. It's okay. Build up your speed. It's alright. This is how you're gonna learn it, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Build up your speed though, because it's 30 miles per hour road. So you should build up your speed and then drop your speed again when you're about where that after this junction. There you go. So we're going straight ahead, second exit, not the first exit. So signal not important. Slow approach is important, and looking. Anyone coming?
Yeah.
But they're going there. So think about the lane discipline. So you should be going near to the island. Don't worry about the speed and what you should do. Center. No. Mirror as a signal to the left. You see what happened there? The reason why this has happened to you there, Stella, that you start doing what? Start speeding on the bend, isn't it?
Yes.
That's you can speed now, but not on the bend. What did I say to you? On today, it's not about speed on the bends. It's about just controlling. Okay. And I would like you to turn next left, first exit, please. So again, you're done in mirror, signal, positioning, slowing down, start looking early. Look your right and ahead. Anyone signaling coming towards you?
No.
What about that van? He was signaling, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Anybody else coming?
Nope.
So there you go. Secure your car. Take a deep breath.
How was it?
Yeah, all right. It's okay.
I
It's
touched
all-
the curb.
So what?
This panic.
That's how you're gonna learn. You don't
Yes.
need to get panic at all. I mean, look, you have not put me or anybody in danger. It's fine. I did the same thing when I was a learner. I mean, I must have hit the curb. Now, I wouldn't use a word that you hit the curb. You simply graze a little bit. You know what I mean? So you done no damage at all. And even if you do hit the curb, that's my responsibility to prevent it. You know what I mean? So you shouldn't blame yourself at all. You should be thinking about, okay, I'm getting better. That's important though. Yeah, it's very important. Now on the last roundabout we did, you were turning left. I said to you, you done your mirror signal, positioning, you slow down, and then looking. You looked to the right, nobody was coming, but there was a van was coming.
Yes.
Now what's
I got
important,
confused, yes.
look at the car body, but also look at the flashing lights, what they're
yes.
doing sometimes, because he was flashing lights, his signal was on telling you he's coming
Yes.
front of your road.
Yes.
So we should be thinking about that as well. Okay, so let's do this a couple of more times, shall we?
Yes.
Any problem, any questions?
Nope.
Nope. So let's drive off whenever you're ready.
Good to go.
So the next roundabout, I would like you to turn left, please. First exit.
Okay, no one is coming, so I am committing.
The next roundabout, I would like you to turn left first exit. So check your mirror signal to the left now. Okay. So, and now start glancing your right and ahead and looking ahead as well. So thinking about position. So multitasking. Look you again. Anyone coming?
Yes.
That's it. Okay. It's about
Control.
positioning and the lane discipline. So as you're approaching, glance your right but look ahead. Anyone coming? No. So just follow the eyes on that curb. Yeah, that's it. And now check your center, the left mirror, signal down, and eyes on the left curb. More steering, because we need to stay here, because look at that lorry over there. So we have 2 lanes over there. Check your mirrors, and then now you can build safer speed. So we have got a roundabout coming up. I would like you to turn next left, please. First exit. So use your MSPSL technique. Good. Glance, look ahead. Anyone
Yes.
coming?
No.
What about that orange car? See, she wasn't even signaling. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
So now check, and as you go, come on. So either I say to you, look at their signal or the body behavior. So that car was a bit more near to the left side of the curb, means they're coming towards you basically. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Well done. Unfortunately, the video. The only thing is that the first part of the video where I was telling people that you were doing the roundabout didn't work, but I'm just gonna edit whatever I can. So obviously today was your 3rd lesson, and we did mainly the major roundabouts. So we did some left turnings, and we did go straight ahead as well. We also learned about the roundabouts with the road markings, and we learned about the roundabouts without road marking. So we have to use the clock method as well, isn't it? Yeah. So keep watching the videos. Also, what's important that next lesson we're gonna be doing more mini roundabouts, because today we only did the major ones today, really. Okay. It was very good. Just remember, you just need to relax yourself. And I think after today's lesson, when you go home, you're going to reflect about it, and you're going to realize it's not as bad as I thought.
No, it's
Okay.
not. It's fun.
But I think at the end you get slightly nervous. It will get hectic, but it will get better to you as well. So give yourself about 10-11 lessons, you will get better though. Yeah. Good. Do you have any problem or any question for today's lesson?
No.
No. Good. Well done. Come mentally prepared because your next lesson I think is slightly busy time, so it will be more traffic, which is good for you. The more traffic you have, the more quickly you're gonna learn. Okay. So major roundabouts you understand going straight ahead. We didn't do the right turnings once. We're gonna do the major roundabout right turnings when the right time come. Okay.